Hey, this is Chad Portnova from WP Learning 101. Today I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video in a WordPress post, okay? It's very, very simple, but I'm going to show you also how you can embed it with the classic editor or with the Gutenberg block editor that comes standard now with WordPress website, okay? Or your blog, whatever you want to call it, okay? So what I want you to do is log into your WordPress website. I want you to come over to plugins. I want you to come over here to add new. And then just type in right here, classic editor. Right here you will see that come up, so just click on install. Click on install there. Click activate. And automatically it's going to be set on the classic editor now, okay? I'll show you how you can change that right here. Just click on settings, you can change it either way. But let's first go here to make a post so I can show you how you embed a YouTube video in your WordPress post, okay? So we'll go here to YouTube. Let's just say we pick out this video right here. All right, you come over here to share, then you click on embed video, then you copy that. All right, then you come back to your site, then you click on add new post. Then what we do is we just go right here, we click on text, and we paste it right in there. Then we go back to visual. Now you can see that right there. You can see the video. We'll just call this testing 1, and then we just click on publish. All right, now we go right here, and here's your post right here with the YouTube embedded in your WordPress post. It's that simple, okay? So there it is right there. Now I'm going to show you how to do it with the Gutenberg block editor that comes standard now with your WordPress website, okay? So let's just go over here to plugins. Now we'll go over here to settings. Now we'll just turn this one right on here for the block editor. Click save. Now we'll go back to posts. Now what we'll do is we'll go to this page right here where this video is. We'll just copy that link right there. Now we'll add a new post. Now what we do is we'll just call this testing 2. And all we do now is just paste that link right in there. And it already knows that it's a YouTube video, and then we just click on publish. All right, publish there. Now you can view post, and there you go. There's your video. So it is very, very simple with the Gutenberg block editor. A lot more simple than with the the classic editor. You just paste this link right here, the URL, paste it right in, and then you've got it right there. Now, if you're looking for a way to learn more about how to set up your first WordPress website, or you just want to learn more about WordPress, what I have for you is, if you just type in WPLearning101.com, and I'll have the link below this video, all right, that you can click on in the description below this YouTube video. You just click on right there. This is a 100% free service that you can sign up to learn how to set up your first WordPress website, or just to go back over information that you want to learn on how to set up your first WordPress website, or freshen up on some of the different features that you want to go back on and learn about, or questions you might have. It is 31 videos that will teach you exactly everything you need to know about how to use WordPress. So again, this is Chad Portnova from WPLearning101.com. I hope you enjoyed this video today on showing you how to embed a YouTube video in your WordPress post, okay? If you have any kind of questions, please post it below this video in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please like it and share with other people that might want to learn how to embed YouTube videos in their WordPress post. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.